So hello everyone, this is update video of the dual coin rebalancing bot. So as you had seen in the previous video, I started this bot somewhere around this range 38,000 36,000 to 38,000, somewhere around that. And this is the bot. As the Bitcoin dumped today, it's few hours ago, it went in negative -5%, which was expected, as you all know. So I started the bot with $380 initially last week, and yeah, 18 hours ago I added $100 more. I also recommend you guys, if you are going to invest if you are investing right now, please don't go all in any coin right now, because I expect that, like, a lot of downside is to be expected. There will be a lot of volatility. Maybe we go down to 20, not in a straight line, but maybe we go down in this range. Maybe we touch 20k and then we start uptrend, but right now it's in a downtrend right now. So please be careful and average down in your positions. Don't go all in at a time. So this pod was started 18 hours ago, and in 24 hours it has made 3 transactions. And Pionex is updating and improving this feature day by day, and they have added this feature where you can hide transactions where it hasn't made a trade, to rebalance the two coins you have selected. So it has made 3 transactions with 2% downside. 3 times uh, Bitcoin came 2% downside, and uh, and they have also added this percentages now. And as I mentioned in the last video, the Pionex is also coming up with a new bot, which is multi-coin rebalancing bot. If you update your Pionex app, you can see multi-coin rebalancing bot in the app, and it's not. If you see, it's not, the bot is not live on the web version. Yeah, you can't see the bot in the web version. It's only available on the app. So make sure you have the latest version of the Pionex app to use this feature. So I haven't started a multi-coin rebalancing bot yet, because the market conditions are not right now. um, there's a lot of selling going on in the market, and we are currently in the downtrend. And if the BTC dumps even if 5% or 10%, altcoins just go nuts and fall for another 20-25%. So I don't think it's right time to hold altcoins and basically start to start any bots on them. So this rebalancing bot is just a smart version of hodl. And so if you want to hodl BTC Bitcoin, so I started this bot because I started the Bitcoin USDT bots because I'm comfortable in Bitcoin and US stable coin right now. So that's why I selected this pair, Bitcoin and USDT, because at this condition I want to be holding stable coins and Bitcoin. Hence I selected this pair. If I see further upside in the future, maybe I'll start Ethereum and Bitcoin bot. And also taking advantage with the new multi-coin feature, I may start a bot with maybe 10 top 10 altcoins, or maybe small caps, to take the advantage. But right now I don't think that it's the right time. That's why I haven't made an example video. And I multi-coins, even if it is launched, we have to wait to use it, I think. But you can use it if you think this is a bottom, and if you have Ethereum and other altcoins which you want to hodl, which you are not going to sell anytime soon. Maybe it's your long-term bet, so you can start this bot. I also saw some good features. They have created an index out of top 10 coins, top 10 excluding stable coins. They also have this influencer recommendations. Maybe you can use them, and you can also use leverage tokens of Bitcoin and Ethereum. But I think if you use them only if you're confident of the long-term play, like 1 or 2 months. I don't think this bot is good for short-term plays, like 1 or 2 weeks, or even days. If you want some coins to be hodled for long term, like for months, then you should use this bot. Like just like I have started this bot because this Bitcoin I have used, this USD I have used is part of my hodl portfolio, which I'm not going to sell anytime soon, which I don't plan to sell. Yeah. So this was about the bots. So I'll just share a few thoughts about the chart of Bitcoin right now. So what happening is, as you can see, there's a lot of dumpage happening. As you can see, there's a lot of dumpage happening right now. I think it is just I think it is like Bitcoin grew too fast in the last 4 months. So anyway, it needed some exhaustion period and some accumulation period. But I think there's also a lot of manipulation happening from the whale side. They're trying to get the retail investors out. So we have to be careful in this market. There will be some downside, maybe 220Ks, maybe lower. I don't know, but we have to be prepared for both directions. If I am trading right now, I'm using stop loss and making sure I'm playing the support and resistance levels properly. Just for example, if I was to be trading Bitcoin right now, I would have used this support, and if this broken, I would have hit my stop loss and the price goes lower. uh, so there's certainly some downside coming, but if you are hodling any coins of crypto, then you should be, I think you should be using this bot to make a just to make just to make your hodl portfolio a little bit smarter, and just to get little 20 to 30% more gains if you are right in the long term. And also this, I wanted to share another uh, data that I found interesting. So right now, as you can see, there's a lot of selling happening, Bitcoin price going down. But this is net transfer volume from exchanges or to exchanges. So as you can see, there's a lot of Bitcoin going out of the exchanges. So that means if someone is taking Bitcoin out of the exchange, they don't plan to sell anytime soon. So this hit a lower. uh, this was a low in since a long time, since January, and last time this was lower was in January, and you may notice that January was good time to buy. So I think this is good time to buy, but not all in. You have to average in right now. So that's a fact I wanted to share. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please note that this is not financial advice. I'm just a trader like you, and be careful with the current market conditions. And please let me know in comments how can I improve this video. So thank you very much.